Breaking update coming in, and one of the BJP leaders who attended the BJP Neta's son's wedding in Ahmednagar has tested positive. BJP leader Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil has tested positive. He was seen without a mask standing next to Fadnavis and others. Let me go across to my colleague Ashish for more on this. Ashish, this is clearly a situation where we can see that this particular leader was violating the norms. He was standing without a mask, seen in a picture with Fadnavis. And clearly this is a concern because the COVID norms were all openly violated in this wedding.
Yeah, of course. That is the reason the Mahavikas Aghadi government is targeting BJP leaders now that they are openly violating the COVID protocols. Yesterday, in Rahuri district in Ahmednagar, MLA Shivaji Rao's Kardile's son, Akshay Kardile's wedding took place, wherein most of the BJP, big faces of BJP leaders across Maharashtra, including Devendra Fadnavis, Chandrakant Patil, were present there, and clearly it can be seen that no one was wearing masks. Now the question arises that the COVID protocols or COVID guidelines which are laid by the Maharashtra government are just for common people or not for this VIP. Tanima.
Right. In fact, this is a major concern, what we can see here, that this particular, if we can have that visual up of that leader, BJP leader Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil, who has tested positive, if we can see that, that clearly shows that he is not wearing any mask. He is standing next to there. Of course, you can see Fadnavis also on your screens right now. There is no social distancing, no masking. So the rules are essentially only for the Aam Aadmi. The rules are there. You cannot go out of the house. You cannot stay out late. 5 people, more than 5 people not allowed to gather. All of that is there. But here when we have a rule of masks, that's being violated. A rule of not more than 250 people allowed in a wedding, that's being violated. Thousands of people have gathered over here where no COVID norms are being followed. So this is clear double speak, and all, by the way, happening with policemen present in that particular event. Ashish, if you can hear me, what we are talking is, we are calling out the hypocrisy. And this is not just about BJP or Congress or Shiv Sena. This is specifically about how COVID norms are being openly violated by netas. We are just bringing this one example in front of our viewers, Ashish. But this is actually happening across that we can see. But in this case, as we said, some of the top faces of BJP in Maharashtra standing over there without following COVID norms.
Yes, exactly, Tanima. That is our point, that the COVID protocols which are led by the Maharashtra government are just for the common man, Aam Aadmi, or including such big names also. Because even before this, BJP has taken a massive rally in the name of Jan Ashirwad rally, wherein the MPs of Modi government were actually seen on the road with around thousands of their supporters with them and violating the COVID norms. Now again, the Omicron has reached out Maharashtra and the cases are rising again. So there is definitely government is trying to curb the they are tightening the restrictions so that the situation can be controlled, but such events can definitely cause more harm for the common person. Tanima.
That's right. Ashish, thank you so much for joining us with that. What we can clearly see is that, I mean, what was in fact feared, unfortunately, has in fact come true, at least in the case of this one particular leader, where no COVID norms were followed. He attended this particular wedding. He's standing next to the former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Over there you can see Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil, one of the BJP leaders who attended this wedding, has turned positive. The wedding where COVID norms were openly flouted by top leaders.